Good morning. Good morning. My name is Ron Powell, Superintendent at the Mandeville Fire Station in charge of Manchester. This morning at about 1:50 a.m., the fire brigade received a call of fire. Initial call said Juicy Plaza. When we arrived on the scene, we realized it was an off-track betting and gaming parlor adjacent to the plaza. The building was fully engulfed in flame. We had 2 units on scene. Eventually, the Christiana unit arrived to make it 3. We attacked the blaze with 2 jets. After everything was cooled down and we started our assessment, we realized that everything was totally lost. We have not yet been able to ascertain a loss figure because the investigations are incomplete. We have our investigative branch from Kingston. They are on their way en route to the scene for further investigations to continue. So we have not yet concluded the original cause of the fire.
In terms of equipment and so on, what did you observe that was lost?
Well, there were a lot of off-track betting machines. They had television sets for the games, and there were a lot of machines and everything that was encompassed inside the building on the upper floor.